Hello dear friends, Cheti Chand is coming up soon, which is our Sindhi New Year. Be it any festival or a celebration, a sweet is must. Mostly in Sindhi homes, we make Seero, which is Aate ka Halwa. But today's Seero is a different recipe. I'm combining whole wheat flour, which is Aata, gram flour, which is Besan, and Sooji, which is Semolina. A mixture of all these three are prepared in the same way like we make the usual Seero. But the texture and taste is totally different, amazing. If you haven't tried it before, you must try this combo. The Semolina gives it a grainy texture and the Besan gives it a flavor like Mohanthal, which we all love. This is the Indian sweet made with gram flour. So do give it a try, and the proportion is 2:2:1. We take 2 portions of wheat flour, 2 portions of gram flour and 1 portion of semolina. It's prepared with ghee, pure ghee, Desi ghee or clarified butter, and flavored with cardamoms. So let's get started and prepare this amazing Seero with mixed atas. Aata, besan and Sooji ka halwa. Easy to make and a perfect sweet for any celebration. For this we'll require these ingredients. I've taken atta or wheat flour 2 tablespoons, besan or gram flour 2 tablespoons, rava or semolina 1 tablespoon. So the ratio is 2:2:1. Sugar 5 or 6 tablespoons. And melted ghee also has to be taken the same quantity, 6 tablespoons. Water about 1 cup. Green cardamom seeds crushed half teaspoon. And some almonds and pistachio slices for garnishing. Ingredients list also can be seen in the description box. Now let's begin. First we'll heat the melted ghee in a pan. Save little to add in the end. I've added 4 tablespoons now, 2 will be added later. Now reduce the flame and add the crushed cardamom seeds. Just toss them so that they infuse the flavor into the ghee. Now we'll add the semolina first, as the texture of the semolina is grainy and thicker than the flours. So we'll saute this for half a minute until the color changes and you get a nice aroma. Next goes in the gram flour followed by wheat flour. As I told you earlier, the ratio is 2:2:1. Saute them continuously. Maintain low flame. This has to be done on low flame. I'm adding 1 more tablespoon of ghee, as I think it is little less, because the flours have to get fried in the ghee nicely until they become aromatic and they change color. We have to get a nice golden brown color. This is the work of patience. You really have to be very patient and keep stirring without stopping. If you stop, the mixture tends to get burnt. You can see slowly the color has started changing. Now the mixture has become aromatic. Lovely aroma in the kitchen. Anyone can make out in the neighborhood that you are making Seero or halwa. We call this halwa Seero in Sindhi. For any celebration or festive occasion, we make Seero at home. Now you can see the color has become nice and golden brown. At this stage, we will add about 1 cup of water. Start stirring immediately so that no lumps are formed. Quickly mix it well and make sure there are no lumps. I am keeping the texture little thicker. I like it this way. I don't like it too soft and mushy. If you want it softer, add little more water. Now time to add sugar. You can add 5 or 6 tablespoons. I like to add only 5 because 6 tablespoons make it too sweet. Continue to stir. Now the sugar will start melting and get incorporated into the halwa. Ghee just disappears into the halwa. Now finally at this stage we'll add the remaining ghee, which is 1 tablespoon. Mix it nicely and your halwa is done. As I told you, if you like it mushy and softer, you can add little more water. But this texture is just perfect because semolina's grainy and the besan also gives it a taste like Mohanthal. It tastes actually like crumbled Mohanthal, which is a sweet made with besan or gram flour. So the combination of these 3 ingredients makes a lovely delicious halwa. If you have never tried it, do give it a try. Now dish it out. Garnish with some pistachios and almonds. I have already shared other halwa recipes like aate ka halwa, potato halwa, sweet potato halwa. All these links you will find in the description box. Meanwhile, you make this and enjoy and do share the feedback. Doesn't it look amazing? No festive day is complete without some sweet. So halwa is the simplest one and easiest one we can make. Thank you for watching. And here are some videos from the archives. Check them out as well. Have a nice day. Stay tuned.